In this video, I've got a small piece of tech that I'm really excited to show you guys. Right after this. What's up guys, welcome back. I'm Jeff at eljefereviews.
My name is Jeff.
And this week, we're taking a look at the Nonda Aiko key finder. This little guy runs you about $16.99 on Amazon.com, and I'll be leaving links to this right down in the description box below. And I also want to take a moment to say thank you to Nonda for reaching out to me, getting this sample over to me free of charge for my honest opinion and review. Now, before we go any further, I also want to take a moment to announce the winner of the Hello Power Bank giveaway. That winner is Fluffy Rappa 81. Please feel free to contact me here on YouTube or either on Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram, all of them at eljefereviews. This way I can get your address and information and I can get this sent out as soon as possible. Now with all that being said, let's go ahead and dive right in. All right, so we have the Nonda Aiko finder. Key finder, wallet finder, and phone finder. So keeps track of your stuff. I would, this would be similar to what you've seen with like the Tile or the Tile Mate. It's sort of that Bluetooth tracker to keep track of your stuff. But let's go ahead and crack her open, see what's going on inside. How to set up the Aiko. So it looks like it gives you a literal step-by-step on how to go through and get it all set up and running. It's pretty straightforward. We've got the 1-year limited warranty card here. Right. Okay, and this appears to be the Aiko finder itself. Very subtle logo right there, right in the middle, as you guys can see. Right there. Yeah. That. Alright, set that down. And then what have we got left? Charging cable inside. Alright, let's pop that open. Okay, so it just comes with the standard USB to micro USB, where it actually has a port for that right there. So, yeah, just like that. Pretty straightforward. Alright. Alright, so let me go ahead and show you guys how this guy works. I'm going to have to go ahead and switch cameras real quick because I've got it paired to my Galaxy S8 Plus, but unfortunately my trusty S4, the Android version, is too old and the app is not compatible with that. So let me go ahead and switch out cameras real quick and then we'll get into it. Alright guys, so first things first, you want to go to the Play Store, or if you're on an Apple device, you want to go to the App Store. And you just want to type in Aiko Finder. As you can see, it comes right up right there, a little square Aiko key finder. Now I've already got it installed, but this is the app that you're looking for. Aiko Nonda Inc. So Nonda. Yeah, so that's the app you're looking for right there. So I'll go ahead and open it up. Alright, so after you're finished downloading the app, this is what you're going to see here. Kind of scroll through these. So hit get started. You want to go ahead and allow. This way everything works. Now you do want to have create an account. I've already got one created, but you want to hit that sign up button so you can go ahead and create your account. Let me go ahead and log in real quick. So now unfortunately I can't show you guys a full pairing process because I've already paired this device to this, so I can't unpair it apparently. So we're going to kind of go through it this way. So you got to hit that plus sign. So basically what you're going to do is it's going to tell you to press the logo button on the Aiko device and you will hear a beep. Now this is assuming that it's charged up. So if you're not hearing a beep, make sure the very first step you do when you first pull this out of the box is to go ahead and charge it. While it's charging, it's going to give you this like orangey red light right here on the side. That's going to turn green once it's fully done. So once that's all done, then you go ahead and click that. You're going to hear a beep. Hit next. After that, you're just going to have to hold it close to this hit connect, and basically it's just communicating with it to make sure that it pairs up. You know, you also want to make sure location and Bluetooth function are turned on your device. Now I can't find it because it's already been paired, so that's the only reason I'm getting that message. You're going to see it where it's going to say connected. So it's already up here on my phone. So got it set up for my keys. Now we can go ahead and hit find. So it plays, you know, a few different ringtones. You've actually got a few different ringtone styles that you can use. So let's see, classic call. And let's see, humoresque. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Yeah, so, and it works pretty well. You know, I went ahead and, you know, stuck my keys somewhere off in the house somewhere, had this attached to them, and, you know, I just hit find and it starts playing, and it plays loud enough to where you can hear it clearly. So, and now I left the Aiko finder on the other side of the house. So I'm just going to click find. You know, it's a good maybe 20 feet or away or so, but, you know, that should be well within its usable range, you know, to find a product. So let's see. Nice. And then, yeah, once you actually find it, you can go ahead and push stop, and that'll stop the music from playing. So yeah, works pretty well, you know, pretty seamless. So yeah, it's definitely a pretty cool little product. All right, so I went ahead and tossed my phone out in a different part of the house. Let's go ahead and click this button here real quick and see how that goes. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Yeah, so I'm assuming right when you get close to it, it stops playing the ringtone. Let's try it again. There it goes again. So yeah, you know, that comes in pretty handy, you know, if you lose your phone, drop your phone somewhere, falls between the couch cushions at a friend's house, you know, something like that, that can come in pretty handy. I thought that was kind of a nice touch on their part. All right, so all in all, I really like the Aiko Finder. The app was, you know, easy to find in the Google Play Market. You know, setup was real quick. I just had to go in and sign up, you know, create an account basically online for the company. And then I was able to easily pair this up with my phone. So yeah, you know, I just went through all the steps in the process. I'd say it took me less than 5 minutes total. The only downside, the only drawback I had was the fact that I forgot to charge it up prior to using it. So I was kind of trying to pair it, couldn't figure out what was going on, and it just turned out that it was just, you know, low on battery. So I went ahead and charged it up first, and then after that it went really quickly. So as far as compatibility goes, my Galaxy S4 that I was trying to use it with is not compatible, and that's using Android 4.4. So older versions of Android like that, the app is not compatible with that. As far as my, you know, S8 Plus, that's not an issue. So I'm assuming probably anything newer than Android 6, you know, won't have any issues. As far as iOS goes, I can say for sure, I'm going to say anything from like a 7, iPhone 8, or, you know, an iPhone 10, I don't think you have any compatibility issues working with that. And, you know, the other plus side on this little guy is that, you know, you're looking at $16.99 for this on Amazon.com. So it's a few bucks cheaper than the Tile. So it puts it right in that budget tech range, which I really like. It's still under 25 bucks. And you can buy them in pairs or in 4-packs. I think a pair is like 34 bucks or something like that, or 32 bucks, right around that price range. And then I think a 4-pack was closer to 50 bucks. So yeah, I mean, it's not expensive, you know, it's low buy-in, the app is free, you know, so, and it's quick and easy to set up, and it's got a lot of different options. And then I also like the fact that you can use this in reverse, you know, so if you lose your phone, you can use the little Aiko finder to find your phone for you. So that's, I thought that was pretty cool too. So all in all, I give this a big thumbs up. I really like it. I think they did a great job on this product, and I look forward to, you know, keeping it on my keychain, and it'll come in really handy for people like me who sometimes tend to lose their stuff, you know, drop their phone somewhere or lose their keys. It'll come in really handy for that. So yeah, I definitely do recommend this. That wraps up my unboxing and review of the Nonda Aiko key finder. Let me know what you guys think of this right down in the comment section. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to leave those down there as well, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. As always, if you guys like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you didn't like this video, go ahead and hit that dislike button. That's cool too. And if you haven't done so already, feel free to hit that subscribe button along with that small bell icon. This way you never miss any of my weekly videos. Now, with all that being said, I hope you guys have a great week, and I will see you in the next video.